All right. So this question says to state two values of y for which the values of 3y squared plus 4y minus 14 is a perfect square. Okay, so we're going to use guess and check for this question. So let's start with 1. When y is 1, the expression is 3y squared, so 3 times 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 14. That's 3 plus 4 minus 14, and that's negative 7. So that is not a perfect square. So let's move on to y equals 2. 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 14. That's 3 times 4, 12 plus 8 minus 14. So that's 20 minus 14, so that's 6. And that's also not a perfect square. Okay, that's okay. We can move on to the next number. Y equals 3. 3 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 minus 14. 3 times 9, so 27 plus 12 minus 14. So that would be 39 minus 14, and that's 25. And yes, 25 is a perfect square. It's 5 squared. So y equals 3 is one of the two values. Okay, and let's move on to find the second value. Then let's try y equals 4. Y equals 4. So 3 times 4 squared plus 4 times 4 minus 14. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3 is 48 plus 4 times 4 is 16 minus 14. So that is 48 plus 2, 50. And that is not a perfect square. Okay, let's move on to the next number. Y equals 5. 3 times 5 squared plus 4 times 5 minus 14. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3 is 75 plus 4 times 5 is 20 minus 14. Then this is 75 plus this together is 6, so that is 81. And that indeed is a perfect square. It's 9 squared. So we found the second value. So let's write our answer in a sentence. Two values of y equals 3 and y equals 5 makes the value 3y squared plus 4y minus 14 a perfect square. And that's it.